Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into managing workload across teams using Asana, your 2025 complete guide. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a project. By clicking on the plus new button, you can easily set up a new project. This is the foundation of your team's work, and it's essential to have a clear project structure for effective management. Now that we've done that, you want to add tasks. This can be done by clicking on the Add Task button. These tasks are the nuts and bolts of what your team will be doing. Assign each task to a team member. This helps us because it clearly delegates responsibility and ensures everyone knows what they are supposed to be working on. Next up, you want to set deadlines. Deadlines can be added to each task by clicking on the Due Date option. The reason we do this is to make sure every task has a clear end date, keeping your team on track and ensuring that tasks don't drag on indefinitely. After this, you can monitor the progress of each task. Asana provides a task progress feature that gives a visual representation of how much work has been done on a particular task. This is crucial because it allows you to see at a glance how well your team is progressing and if there are any bottlenecks. Finally, use Asana's Workload view. By clicking on the Workload tab, you can see the distribution of work across your team. This helps us because it prevents overloading any one team member and promotes a balanced distribution of work. To wrap up, managing workload across teams using Asana is all about setting up structured projects, assigning tasks to team members, setting deadlines, monitoring progress, and ensuring balanced workload distribution. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.